everybody, today I'm interacting to The Voice 2018 live top 11 performances. Kroeze, I said his surname right for the first time ever, performs Long Train Runnin. Hope you guys like it, here we go. I love the voice positions, they're so much fun. Yes!
When pistons keep on turning, the wheels go round and round. Those steel rails are cold and hot for the miles that go down without love. Where would you be right now? Without love. Where would you be now?
Wow, that was long.
Where would you be now?
Yes. Wow. Hope you guys like that. I love it. It was so good. Like, he has honestly been one of my favourites since the beginning. The reason why I keep getting his surname wrong is basically I pause the episode, I go off to do something else, and I'm like, oh yeah, I need to react to Chris. And then I'm like, what did they say his surname was? And now I remember this time. Kroeze, Chris Kroeze. He is awesome. I love his voice so much. He's amazing. Yeah, big fan of him. So yeah, hope you guys like that. If you want me to react to anything else, please put it in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe.